Good morning, students. I am going to start exercise 4.3 of practical geometry. In this exercise, we have given two adjacent sides and three angles. Okay? As before, we start with constructing a triangle and then look for the fourth point to complete the quadrilateral. Same to same, that's all the process will be going to here, how to construct a quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Your first question is, construct the following quadrilateral. That first part is, first part is quadrilateral MORE. Quadrilateral MORE. You construct a quadrilateral MORE where measurements are given here. MO is equal to 6 centimeters. MO is equal to 6 centimeters. OR is equal to 4.5 centimeters. OR is equal to 4.5 centimeters. And angle M is equal to 60 degrees. Angle M is equal to 60 degrees. Angle O is equal to 105 degrees. Angle O is equal to 105 degrees. And angle R is equal to 105 degrees. These are given measurements by which we are going to construct a quadrilateral MORE. First of all, you draw a figure of quadrilateral MORE. Write the measurements which are given here. MO 6 centimeter, OR 4.5 centimeter, and angle M is equal to 60 degree. Angle O is equal to 105 degree, and angle R is equal to 105 degree. These are given. You construct a quadrilateral MOR by using these informations. First of all, you draw a line segment MO 6 centimeter. MO. Then you draw 60 degree angle at point M with the help of compass. You take any distance in your compass and draw an arc with center M like this. Then from the same arc you draw next arc from this cut point is the center of the arc like this. You get, when you join this point to end point, you get 60 degree angle with the help of compass. This is 60 degree angle. Then you draw 105 degree angle at point O. For this, you take any distance in your compass and draw an arc with center O like this. And from the same distance you draw first arc and then you draw second arc, then you bisect these two arcs, you like this and you join this dotted, this is 90 degrees but you want to construct 105 degrees, then you bisect 90 and 120, you get 105 degree angle, 105 degree. You know how can you bisect any angle? First you take more than half distance from bar which you want to bisect and then you draw arc from these 2 points like first and then from here you second and join the intersection point, you get the bisector of 90 and 120. This means 90 plus 50, you get 105 degree. Like this, you have to draw the 105 degree at point R. First of all, you locate where is R. First, you take 4.5 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with center. Just you take 4.5 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with center O to 105 degree angle. You cut an arc from the 105 degree angle. That point is R. And then you draw 105 degree angle at point R. Like similar to point O. First cut, second cut, then bisector, and then you bisect this, you get 105 degree. 105 degree. This is your 105 degree. Then you join 60 degree angle and 105 degree angle intersect each other at point E. Your required quadrilateral MORE is constructed. And you also write the steps of construction. How can you construct this quadrilateral MORE in your own words? Clear? Okay, then our next question is question number 4. First, fourth part. First, fourth part, that is rectangle OKAY, rectangle OKAY, draw or rectangle OKAY, OK, whose measurements are given here. OK is equal to 7 centimeters and KA is equal to 5 centimeters. These are given. By using the property of rectangle, you are able to construct a rectangle OKAY. First of all, you draw a rough figure of rectangle OKAY and write the measurement OK 7 centimeter and KA 5 centimeter. When OK is 7 centimeter, by the property of rectangle AY or YA is also 7 centimeter, and when KA is 5 centimeter, this means OY is also 5 centimeter, and each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. You know, by using these properties, these informations, we are able to construct a rectangle OKAY. First of all, you draw a line segment OK 7 centimeter. Then you draw 90-degree angle at point O. For this, you take any distance in your compass and draw an arc with center O, like this. This is your arc from any distance in your compass, and just you take the same distance in your compass and cut an arc with center. This you get like this first arc, and this is your second arc. Then you bisect these two, you get 90-degree angle, and you cut 5 centimeter from this 90-degree angle, or raise. You take 5 centimeter distance in your compass and put your sharp edge at point O and cut an arc 5 centimeter from the perpendicular line. That point is Y and its distance is 5 centimeters. Then you take 7 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with center Y like this, and take 5 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with center K, which cut the previous arc at point A. Then you join Y to A and A to K. Your required rectangle OKAY is constructed with the help of the given information and using the properties of rectangle. Okay, therefore this is your required rectangle. You write also the steps of construction in your own words like this. Draw a line segment OK 7 centimeter. Then you draw 90-degree angle at point O with the help of compass, and take 5 centimeter distance and cut an arc from the perpendicular line segment OY, which is 5 centimeter. Then you take 7 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with center Y like this, and then you take 5 centimeter distance in your compass and draw an arc with the center P, which cut the previous arc at point A. Join Y to A and A to K. You get required quadrilateral OKAY. Okay.